It's a rookie, yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
I want 100, 300 for both.
Let me look those up.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah,
a
go
big
ahead.
purchase.
Yeah.
13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right.
Sure.
I'll go get my truck.
Are you-
$5 silver I just bought. 4 Morgans.
No, how much
And
that?
1 piece. All right. What do we have here? Oh yeah, this was a very rare. Yeah, like I told you, there's a lot of comics here. That looks like silver. Right there. Yep. Look at that. Pirates. We're here. We're gonna pick them. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
What's over here?
21. You can look the comic books.
Comic book?
Yeah. No, they're more newer ones.
Oh my God. Yeah. I'm glad I've not.
Ninja Turtles, Matchbox,
Thank you.
Transformers, Nintendo, trains.
No lunch boxes, right?
What are these?
Montana rookies.
Oh wow. What are those worth?
Depends if you get them graded or not.
That's the rookie?
It's a rookie.
Even though it's the second season there, or did this just...
It's a rookie, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, grading is where it's at, obviously.
But I want 100, 300 for both.
Let me look those up. 'Cause
Yeah.
That's
Yeah,
a
go
big
ahead.
purchase.
Yeah.
I had triple bypass.
It's easy to stop with those.
Yeah, when you're in the hospital,
7,
they say you
8, 9,
make a choice.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right,
Sure.
I'll go get my truck.
You want to load it up and bring it out to you?
Pull my truck. These are all sold, sir?
Yeah, this is all sold. This is all sold.
What's the whole thing
Yeah.
about that? Here, man.
Bob, you won't let anybody touch all this? You're not gonna let anybody touch it? 2 Joe Montana rookies. I've never had a Joe Montana rookie in my life. I'm gonna go say bye to Harold, then I'm getting out of here.
Alright, man. I
This-
need 8 more minutes of footage. Can you say something funny?
Can I say something
Oh,
funny?
yes.
I probably don't have it in me.
Okay, that's fine.
I can tell you this.
If you get them all, yes.
I can tell you this. This market is not measuring up to my standards.
Dude, it's super.
Man,
No more necklace one.
$5 silver I just bought. 4 Morgans
No, how much
and
that?
1 piece. I don't know yet.
What do you mean no? That one is not have special edition. I just
No.
like it because necklace.
You like it?
There's no CC.
You just feel it.
No, it's not going inside. Maybe.
What's that?
I don't know. I just find it.
Open it up. Come on, let's see. This is good. This is, you haven't even found this yet.
I'll find it right now.
You didn't even know you had it.
Yeah.
Foul mouth.
Oh, rubbish.
I need to watch my mouth.
That looks like costume from here, but could be silver. Was it in your bag? Is it?
Ah, look
It's
at
nothing.
that.
No, no, this Rolex.
Rolex my ass. It's MK.
It looks
It's
silver.
missing every number. Yes.
This bunch of crap.
Yes, sir.
Look at this. This is a bad sign.
Which one?
This here, sir. No, it ain't even. Look,
the
only-
ice chest, give me 10
not,
bucks.
not even silver, Mike.
No, it's
No.
not silver. It's fake.
There was one that looked kind of good though. Was this?
Hold on, hold
That
on.
one is gold.
Yeah, but you gotta go. Hey, you gotta go with this. This is good.
You take $8 for it?
No, that is good.
Look, these. Go with the little one. Always go very little. Little stuff. Look,
There you
little.
go. Let me see.
Little. I bet you I find little something.
This
Little.
one looks good.
I'm going for tiny.
Good?
No. I thought it was silver.
If it's tweakers, look, no good.
Paying for it?
No good, no good, no good.
Oh, this is gold. That one is gold.
Why am I?
I think it just
I
says.
see it. It's gold.
What does 24K mean?
One, how'd you get out?
24
I'm
karat.
just kidding.
Don't throw it in there. Throw on the small one.
All right, guys.
Tengo dos más. Pero esas las tengo en la casa. Estos me acaban de salir en el storage. A rato yo creo si no las vendo ahora. Las voy a poner ahí en el main cave. Yeah. Okay. Dale pues.
Okay, sell me all coins like this.
I know I've got a couple hundred of those.
How much you sell them for?
No, I'm not selling it. That's my raining umbrella.
Oh, cut it out. You got plenty of money. Stop acting like you need to save it.
Y este. Ese se lo dejo en 10 también.
These ones look like gold.
They look like gold plated.
No, this.
Oh yeah, they could be 14K, yeah.
We're here at my storage, and I don't really have time to show you everything. Like, here's a whole box of Transformers, G.I. Joe. I'm going to give you a rough idea of everything I bought, but I'm on zines. There's some more G.I. Joes, very old. This was a box of comics, so we got one box of comics, old ones too. Let's see here. Look. Thor, 35 cents. So there's one box of comics, there is two box of comicses, there's three box of comicses right there, and there is a fourth box of comicses right here. A couple video game systems, those are always good money. Another box of trains, imagine that. Some of this stuff I really just bought because it was part of the package deal at the end. What do we have here? Technics 1600. That's a good piece right there. There will be some profit on that. These are like a couple $100 for a Technic 1600. All in all, I spent $2 grand with this one person. Even actually, I think it was 2100 because I went with the boxes of trains and the loose stuff for another 100. Like, this stuff was bonus with the trains. This was basically a garbage box of stuff that kind of came towards the end bonus $100 purchase. Be careful with these. So we got several old models and a couple toys and several movie posters. Those are always good. I like his little Chofsky boxes because those end up having some cool stuff for the auctions later on. Did real well on some of those last time. Matchbox and Ninja Turtle. And then you come in here, the whole truck is full. The whole truck is full. As all these, we got Hot Wheels, custom Hot Wheels from the 1990s and 80s. Box of trains. This was money right here. I like this. Brand new old stock cargo ship, the Wenmac. I got that for $30, but it was part of the whole deal. There is Christmas Matchbox, Hot Wheels. I'll show you more of this when I get home. Before we go home, we need to stock up on our panty sales that have been doing well, and we got to go through the panty area and get all sorts of lots for that. All right, what do we have here? Oh yeah, this was a very rare. Look at that. Skyrim. Nice. And what's under here is some type of action figure. Yeah. Let's see. Don't drop that, Michael. Gotta be careful. Skyrim, the Elder Scroll. This is a very expensive piece. There's a couple $100, I think. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nice. What we'll do with that, I don't know. This is sealed in the box. It's a Western Freight expansion pack, and then there's two of these. These are great, easy eBay items. I think I paid $40 for the both of these. I hope that wasn't a dumb purchase, but yeah, I like those. Oh, we got the Franklin Mint. These are good right here. Franklin Mint, 1957 Bonneville. There's a whole box of these coming though. Franklin Mints are big money, and I think I already showed you this. Maybe not, maybe I didn't. But this is a Wenmac battery powered cargo ship. Look at that, brand new in the original box right there. That is nice. Yeah, buddy, look at those. And I believe this one are all open ones, but that's still cool. Basically everything you're seeing here is part of my $2,000 purchase. Huge lot of trains. Here we got Hot Wheels for days, and these are good ones too. Custom 1990. It's a whole bag of those. A whole another bag of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more Franklin Mint cars. And as I just have showed you guys recently, a lot of Franklin Mint is really pricey. One of these is probably $150 of those cars. Yeah, like I told you, there's a lot of comics here. As well, we bought these 4 silver dollars right here. 1, 2, 3, 4 Morgan dollars, 1891, 1899, 1886, and 1884. Those are solid purchases here. And I think these are the money right here. This is where the money comes in. This one's pretty good. You can see it's got a slight ding right there. This one here. This one's pretty well centered. And it's flawless in my eyes. Joe Montana rookie, 1981. Those are the money right there. I think that will get me at least 1/4. At least 1/4 of my purchase back minimum. We'll see. Yeah, let us not forget bag of jewelry. Oh, and this really nice painting. Let's not drop that. I looked this up when I bought it. This goes for a couple $100. It's by a Lee Young. It's a Captain Sailor's painting. Got a picture of a guy on the back, and it's in the trunk. There's a ladder you could use, son, to climb up in there and set them all to the back.
I don't even know what I'm doing.
Just, well, I'm getting all the boxes out the back, but it's annoying to jump up and down. I'm saying there's a ladder there. Tons of jewelry. I'm gonna have to make lots. I think I paid $30 for this lot. I don't know. It was in a bag. I don't even know what I was buying. I just bought it. That looks like silver right there. Yep. Look at that. Silver. This will end up on a YouTube auction. It'll be broken up into trays and so forth. Always a good buy. So I paid $60 for these 2 things here. All in all, I think that was a pretty good pick for $2,100 plus the other $60 for the painting and the jewelry, plus the $100 for the coins. That's a lot of stuff right here. You'll see, I'll have the Salt Princess make a full unboxing of everything, plus the ones I took to the storage. And, oh yeah, and all this stuff here. I think that's a pretty good pick. Anyway, don't forget to tell me how you feel about this video. Hit the like button, the share button, subscribe if you don't already, and say something pretty.